Hey, do you want to know what is that one thing that makes all the difference between the success and the failure of people? Have you seen those lucky people around you who become successful in whatever they do? And you always found them having new opportunities no matter what the market conditions are or the outside circumstances are? Do you want to know what that is? If yes is your answer, then watch this video till the end. The only thing that makes all the difference is the momentum. Now, what is the momentum exactly? In terms of automobiles, momentum is something that moves the vehicle forward from the standstill position. Once the vehicle has momentum, it can accelerate and speed up very fast. In the same way, in our life, momentum is something that moves us forward from the stuck position so that we can accelerate our growth. It is our preparedness and readiness for growth. Now, do you think what is the major difference between rich people, poor people, and the middle class people with respect to momentum? See, rich people always have the momentum, and that is why they are always prepared and they are always ready to identify and grab the opportunities whenever it comes. That is why they are called lucky, because they are prepared and have the momentum. This is the reason why rich people's net worth has grown even during the times of lockdowns and pandemics, while the poor and middle class people have suffered the most. Let's see the poor people. They have no momentum at all. They are never prepared or are never ready. That is why they can never identify any opportunity, even if it knocks on their door. Now consider the middle class people. These people are always confused and never believe that they can also have the momentum and opportunities. They are always working under the market conditions, based on the market conditions and the outside circumstances, majorly under the guidance and control of the rich people. So they may be able to identify the opportunities, but they are never prepared to grab them, and thus they remain stuck. So the question is, what do you want? Do you want the momentum or want to remain stuck? Do you want to be like those lucky people and identify the opportunities that come to you so that you can grab them? If your answer is yes, then there is only one way to gain momentum, and that is through knowledge and understanding, the right knowledge and the right understanding. The knowledge and understanding comes through the right learning and the right training and the right mentoring. If you want the momentum for your 10x growth and success in 2022, then click the link below or above this video, wherever it is, and join my workshop, where I'm going to reveal to you what is needed to have the momentum and how you can be prepared for your 10x growth, no matter where you are right now with your business. It is time to create your 10x blueprint. So see you there in my workshop. All the best. Thank you.